Hi there, my name's Ben and welcome to the GeoSurf tutorial series. Today we'll be running through how to whitelist and manage your IPs in the GeoSurf dashboard. If you choose to use this option over username and password authentication, you can manage this process from within the dashboard. Okay, let's log in. After logging in, on your left here, you'll notice the navigation panel. Click Account Settings, followed by Manage Your IPs. This is how you add an IP. You can add multiple or just this one. Let's select this one for now. You can filter and sort the view of your IP list by the date, the IP itself, or the status. If you have a long list, you can also search IP addresses by the start of the number range, for example, 185, and you can do that here. Please make sure you are the owner of your IP and that you are adding your public IP. If you're not sure what your IP is, you can visit geo.geosurf.io and it will show you your IP. If you're using a shared service or server, we do recommend you use the username password authentication option over this. If you try to add an IP address and are shown that it is already existing under a different client, please contact us. Check that you are not using a dynamic IP, as when it changes, you won't be able to use the service until you add your new IP address. The IP whitelist system gets updated and synced every 30 minutes, so it is very important to note that it may take up to 30 minutes to update your IPs because of this. I do hope this was helpful and that you familiarized yourself with the process. We are always here to answer any questions or queries. Just click support. Have a great day.